single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day.
Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the updates instantaneously.
Hello everyone, welcome to MHC Tech Talks. In today's video, we are going to do the speed test between the two phones, that is Redmi Note 8 and Samsung M30S. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, we'll have the speed test between these two phones. So before the speed test, let's compare both the phones. So you can find the specification of both the phones on the screen. So as you can see, I have both the phones, and both of them are mid-range phones, and Redmi Note 8 has Snapdragon 665 while Samsung M30S has the Exynos 9611. So let's try to find out which one performs better. Both of the devices have 4GB of RAM in this one and 64GB of storage. So let's begin first with powering off the phone, and let's check which one turns off and turns on quickly. After that we'll have the other speed test for the similar apps. So first I'll try to turn off the phones and let's see which one turns off first. So in this one, Xiaomi was quick enough to switch off and Samsung took some time. So both the phones are now switched off, as you can see. So I'll just try to boot both of these phones and let's see which one boots up quickly. So Samsung has given me the haptic response first, and then it is Redmi. So let's see which one turns on quickly. So, right now both of them are turning on, and surprisingly Samsung M30S was first to turn on. So definitely this was first to boot. Samsung was quick enough to boot, so Samsung wins this one. Now let's try to find out the fingerprint response time. So I'll try to open up both the phones. Let's see which one opens first. So I'll do it once again. So I think in this one as well, Samsung is a bit fast. It's difficult to judge, but I think major of the time Samsung was quick enough. So for fingerprint sensor as well, I think Samsung is quick enough. So now I have installed both the same set of apps on both the phones. So let's try to find out like which phones performs better. And for the sake of comparison, I have connected the same Wi-Fi network to both the devices, and as you can see there are no background apps. I mean, whatever are there, I'll just close it. So as you can see now, there is no background apps in both the devices, and both the devices are having the same set of apps. So now let's try to find out which phone performs better. So guys, as you can see there are no recent apps, so I'll begin one by one. So let's try to first check the speed test, I mean the network speed test. So I'll click go on both the devices. So let's see the results and let's try to find out. Needless to say, both the devices are connected on the same Wi-Fi network, so we'll see like which phone performs better. So Redmi Note 8 is giving some let's let the test be over, then we'll check the result. So guys, the results are out and you can see yourself that as far as the network and the management of network is concerned, the Redmi Note 8 is giving more upload and download speed, even if the Wi-Fi is same. So that in that aspect Redmi Note 8 is the winner. Now let's check some another apps as well, and let's see which one opens up fast. So now I'll open the Netflix in both the device. I have not signed in the Netflix, so let's see which one opens fast. So Redmi Note 8 opened it quickly. Now let's check the maps. And okay, so I think both were comparable. So now let's see Play Store, which one opens Play Store first. So I think Samsung M30S was winner in this one. Let's try to open Facebook. Okay, so again not much difference in this one. Let's try to open up Instagram. So this time Samsung M30S was clear winner, as you can see. Now let's open YouTube. So again M30S was quite fast. Now let's try to open Chrome. So I think M30S was slight winner in this one, so we'll see. Now let's try to open up Amazon app. So I think both were same, because this one had Amazon as dual app, so it took some fraction of seconds for that one. So I think Amazon, both of them performed well. Now I have MPL on both the apps, so let's try to find out which one opens it first. So definitely this one was faster than as compared to Redmi Note 8. So okay, so now guys, let's see the background app management of both the phones, like how it is. So we have opened all the applications one time, and in majority of the cases the Samsung M30S was the winner. So now let's see if it is smart enough to keep the apps open in the background. So let's see, like all these apps are open here, all these apps are open here, as you can see. So we'll just open one by one and let's try to see. Okay, so both of them loaded it for a time. So both of them were loading it once again. If I talk about YouTube, so both of them are loading. So in all, if you see guys, both the phones are, I mean, quite comparable to each other. This one is priced at around 12,000. Earlier it used to be at around 10,000, but now due to the increase in price, this one comes at the price of 12,000, and this one comes at the price of 15,000. But in all aspects, be it hardware or software, I think this one is better. So in my opinion, I think Samsung M30S is better. So hope you guys like this video about the speed test, and if you want to have a battery test or some other comparison between the phones, please do let me know in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe to our channel. And also, if you have watched this video till this part, so please hit like, because it motivates me to create such kind of videos. So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in next one.